Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Chill. Today we are going to prepare Waakye Stew. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click down the button below and also subscribe. Let's go. So for the stew season, I'll be using some fish powder, shrimp powder, Maggi cube, rosemary and bay leaves. So our main ingredients, I'll be using onions, cut bonnet, ginger and garlics, and the onion depends on the amount of stew you are making. To our meats, I will be using mubele, which is cow skin, beef tripes, and also salted beef. Our oil stock season, which is cow stock season and also chicken stock season. Our fresh tomatoes and tomato puree or tomato paste. Our meat stock, we will be needing some onions, ginger, garlic. We chop them, we blend with a little bit of water, add it to our meat in the saucepan and allow to steam. Add our mixture and a stock season of your choice. If you have only salt or Maggi available, you can add that. So now we preheat our saucepan, add our oil, slightly chop onions and add it to it. This enhances the aroma of the oil. Afterwards, we chop the remaining onions and garlic, add the fried or the brown fried onions to it and blend. This is also very good for the flavor of the sauce. We're gonna fry our meat in our hot oil. Now that our meat is brownish, it is done. We are gonna bring it out, add our blended onions and garlic to the oil and allow to fry for a while. We blend our fresh tomatoes with our Scotch bonnet and add it to our sauce. We add our tomato puree and our monko and season and allow to cook for a while. You can put it under low heat and cover it with a lid to prevent it from splashing everywhere. But since I am in a hurry, I placed it under high heat and kept stirring all the time. So at this point, I'm gonna garnish it with my ring chopped onions. We are done with our stew. You can serve your Waakye stew with your waakye, your rice, your Banku, your watery, or your Kenkey. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. You can also leave your suggestions or your questions down below. Thank you very much. Bye.